Hi students, in the previous class we discussed how to find the square root of perfect squares by using division method. Here some problems are given. Let us see how to solve them by division method. First one solution, take 841. First, what did I tell you? You have to make two digits as one pair. Okay? So here 8 is alone. Take vertical lines. Whatever number we write here, the same number we write there also. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. It is more than 8. So we have to write 2 2s are 4. Right? Subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. 41 at a time we have to bring it down. Okay? Now, 2 times of 2, double of this digit we should take. Double. 2 2s are 4. Double of that digit. Now again, whatever number we write here, the same number we write there. Right? So, since the last digit is 1 here, so in which case we are going to get 1? In two cases, 9 9s are 81, 1 1s are 1. So 1 is not possible. So 49 9s you see ones. 49 9s. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 44 exactly. So 4 4 4 1. Subtract 0. So therefore square root of 841 is how much? 29. That means 29 29s 841. Okay? 29 29s 841. Okay? Second solution, let us. Second question. 2304. 2304. Okay? Now make two digits. Two digits. I made them pair. So 5 5 is 25, it is more. So I will write 4 4s are 16. If you write 5 here, 5 also there. 5 5s are 25, it is more than 23. So that's why we write only 4s. Now subtract. How much you will get here? 5. Right? Sorry. 7 0 4. 0 4 should be brought down. Okay? This double of this digit we should take. What is that? 8. 2 4s are 8. Now you have last digit as 4. So can you guess the digit here? 82 2s. In two cases we get 4 as units digit. 2 2s 4. 8 8s are 64. Suppose if I put 8 there, 88 8s are correct. 704. 88 8s are 704. So remainder is 0. So therefore square root of 2304 is how much? 48. That is the end of solution. Okay? Now third question. Third one we will see. Third question, third solution, 6 5 6 1. So make two digits. Now whatever number we write here, the same number we write there. 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64. Now subtract 1, 6 1 should be brought down. 2 times of 8. 2 times of 8. 2 times of 8 is how much? 16. So since the last digit is 1 here, suppose if I write 1 here, 161 ones are 161. Right? Remainder is 0. Therefore, square root of 6561 is 81. Okay? So answer is 81. Fourth solution. What is fourth one? 12544. Look at, make two digits. 1, 2. Make two digits. So 1 is left alone. 1 ones are 1. There is no doubt. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 25. I will bring it down. Okay. Now 2 times of 1 is 2. Double of that digit we should take. 22 2s 44. Whatever number. Suppose 21 ones are how much? 21. If I put 2 there, 22 2s 44. It is more than 25. So 21 ones are 21. So subtract. How much you will get? 4. 44 should be brought down. Now this 2 will remain same, because already this 2 is formed by doubling the 1. So 2 remains same. 2 times of 1 is 2 here. Now whatever we write here, suppose if I write 2, here also 2. 222 2s 444. So what is the answer? Square root of 12544 is 112. So every perfect square has got 2 square roots. One is positive and the other is negative. One is positive and the other is negative. Okay? We are taking only positive square roots here. So fourth completed. Fifth one. Fifth solution. 2116. So I will make 2 pairs. 5 is 25 now. So 4 4s are 16. Subtract 5, 1 6. Bring it down. 2 times of 4 is 8. Now since the last digit is 6, so I can get either 4 or 6. 86 6 are C1s. Exactly. 86 6 are 516. Remember always whatever we write here, the same number we have to write there. So remainder is 0. So therefore square root of 2116 is 46. Sixth solution. 1296. 1296. So make 2 pairs again. 4 4s are 16, it is more. So 3 3s are 9. Subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 6 should be brought down. Double of this 3 digit is 6. 2 times we should take 6. Now whatever number we write here, the same number we write there. It depends on the last digit of that number. Since it is 6, we will get either 4 or 6. So 66 6 are, let us see once. Exactly 36. So if I write 4 here, 64 4s, it is less. So therefore square root of 1296 is 36. Clear? So this is the procedure we follow. Seventh one. Seventh one, 2916. Seventh one, 2916. Seventh one, 2916. So make a pair. 5 5 is 25, 6 6 are 36. So 5 5s are 25. Subtract 4 1 6. 4 1 6. Double of this number is 10. 5 2 times 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now whatever number we write here, the same number you have to write there. If I write 4 here, there also 4. 104 fours, 4160. So square root of 2916 is 54. Now 7th one is over 8th one. 8th one is decimal point 1.1664. Look at the decimal point here. Make two digits. 1 ones are 1. Remainder 0 here. This point will be gone there. Shift that decimal point there. Double of 1 is 2. Now 16 should be brought down. Okay. Now whatever number we write here, beside 2 whatever we write, it becomes 20, right? 2 is suppose 21, ones are 21, it is more than 60. Whatever number we write here, we will get more than 16. So that's why I will keep 0, 0. Then we can bring one more pair down. Here 1 0, here 1 0. If I keep, we have now possibility to bring down another pair also. Now since the last digit is 4 here, suppose if I write 8, there also 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16. So if I write 8, 8, 1 6, 6 4. So therefore square root of 1.1664 is 1.08. Okay. Ninth one. Ninth one. 0.132496. Now 2, 2, 2. So 0 point already it is there, shift there. So now you look at 13. 3 3s are 9. Because 4 4s are 16, it is more. So if I subtract 4 will be there. 2 4 I am bringing down. Double of this 3 is 6. So whatever number we write here, the same number you have to write there. 64 fours, 256. 66 6 are more, 67 sevens are more. So 6 is possible. 66 6 are 396. Subtract. 14 minus 6, 8. 11 minus 9, 2. Okay. 96 should be brought down. Now here you look at carefully. Can we write 6 as it is and 6 double 12 here? Do you think so? No, it is not correct. So 66 means you should take 60 plus 6 double is 12, means 72. Once again, 66 means 60 plus 6. 60 plus 6 double is 12. So we should take 72. Remember that point. Now whatever we write here 6. 6 means, suppose if I write 7 2 6, 6 are you see. It is more. So 72 fours we will see. Yes. So 4 is enough here. So what is the answer? 2896. Remainder is 0. So therefore square root of 0.132496 is 0.364. That is the procedure. Okay. Look at the last problem. 10th one. Tenth one. 146.1681. Look at this. 1 ones are 1. 4, 6, bring it down. 1 double is 2. Suppose if I write 2 here, there also 2. 22 2s 44. Remainder is 2. So this decimal will be gone there. 1 6 I will bring it down. So 2 will remain same. This 2 double is 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Now whatever we write here, it is more than that. So I will keep 1 0 here, 1 0 here. Then we are eligible to bring one more pair here. So since the last digit is 1, 2 4 0 9 is possible, I think so. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21. Remainder 0. So this is square root of 146.1681 equal to 12.09. Hope it is clear. Practice some more problems of your own, then you will be getting the method perfectly. Thank you.